Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. This week I have a beautiful 1970s Persian Qum rug. And how I can tell that this rug has been woven in the city of Qum is not only from the signature right here at the top that says the word Qum, but also the fact that this is a silk foundation based on the fringe with a silk pile right here as well. And also the use of this floral pattern. These are all little aspects that signify where a rug has been woven from. What I find so intriguing about this particular rug is the symbolism that's used. Now, when we think of symbolism, we generally think about the pattern and the design of the rug. However, something that gets really underestimated is the use of colors when it comes to symbolism, which this beautiful rug portrays artistically. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. When you look at the center medallion right here, you see this small little coral dot right there in the center. This coral dot, this color tone, has also been incorporated in the background and also in the border of the rug as well. And this symbolizes a connection of the human heart with the human body and the human exterior in general. This is so interesting because the first thing that develops in a human embryo is the cardiovascular cells, or let's say the human heart. And the essence of every human being starts with the heart. Everything else develops from that point on. And so this coral dot right here, smack dab in the center of the rug, symbolizes the essence of a human being, which is the heart. And it is connected to everything else that you see right here in this rug, just like the human heart is connected to everything else that is a part of our own essence as a human being. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. Thanks for watching.